So when I set out to create this project, I was thinking, what do I want to do? I want to do waypoints so I can create the same flight over and over again. And I want to create a sphere from the same spot over and over again. I wasn't thinking about single shots at the time, but instead of using a sphere, I could have used single shots. But you know what? Sphere worked for me. So I'm going to show you how I accomplished putting together a waypoint and sphere to get this result here on the Mavic 2 Pro. So what I did is I set up my waypoint and I ran the waypoint, and every day I came back and ran the waypoint over. It's not perfect, but it's pretty darn close, and you can try to match it up in post. And so what happened was I wanted to make a sphere of every day as well. So I ran the waypoint, and when it got to the end of the waypoint and it stopped, I quickly changed my settings over to camera and sphere, and then I took a sphere shot every day at the exact, hopefully at the exact same GPS point as well, so it was close. Then what I did is I pulled out, because it creates a panorama folder, and I looked at the third shot. It just happened to be the third shot in my panorama, and it was all the exact same shot, relatively close. So I pulled those out of the panoramas and edited that in Premiere to make this video, so it was pretty darn close. I probably could have done a single shot as well instead of a sphere, but I wasn't thinking that I was going to do this. I was just thinking about making a sphere of every day that it changed as far as the construction. So kind of cool. I hope you enjoyed this. Hey, please give me any comments or tips that you may have, because I don't know everything and I am always learning.